Word, Module 8, Integrating with Other Programs and Collaborating. This is the visual workshop assignment. You will open up an Excel spreadsheet and a PowerPoint slide presentation and save them so that we can retrieve them while we're working on this assignment. So this one, the Word document is actually a new, so click Blank Document and then select Design, Themes, and you want Celestial, and then choose the yellow folder at the bottom, and we're going to go to the PowerPoint presentation. And then again, because this is a very large picture, so go to View, Slide Sorter, then Home, and Copy. On the taskbar, go back to Word, and then choose Home, and it's a Paste Special. And the only thing we're going to choose Microsoft PowerPoint Slide Object, but we don't need to paste the link because we won't be going back into PowerPoint. So go ahead and click OK. And again, if you double click into it, you'll go to the temporary PowerPoint, and then after engineers, press enter and type your name, and then click anywhere back in the Word document. And then if you hold Control and press End, it takes you immediately to the bottom of the slide. Press enter and you're going to type some text. So complete that sentence and press enter, and then we'll go to Insert, Object. We're going to get a file from our Excel file, so go to Browse and select the Excel spreadsheet 8-11, Insert. We're not going to link it because we're not going to, if we make changes to the Excel, we're just doing it in the Word document, so no worries there. So if you double click the Excel, it'll take you to that temporary Excel spreadsheet, and you're going to change one amount in there, and that's for Jorge. You're going to change it from 90 to 82 and press enter. And while we're in here, we'll choose page layout, themes, and the same one, Celestial, so it matches. And then while you're in here, Control A to select everything, and then Control C to copy. So then click outside of Excel so that you're back in the document. Control End, and then you're underneath the Excel spreadsheet. Press enter so you have a blank line. Then click Insert, Chart, choose Pie, and OK. And then in A1, your Control V will paste the information in here, and you can close out of here. And then from here, we'll make some design changes. So if you choose chart design, they want chart style 12. And the changed color is colorful palette 2. And then for the title, I'm going to click in the title and type consultant space. And the legend, so if we click the chart element, which is the plus sign, we can select data labels, and then if we choose the arrow to the right, you get more options, and they want the outside end, and then go to more options because they want it to be a percentage and not value. So uncheck value and select percentage. And then click the chart element button, and if you go to legend, the right arrow, you can choose, it's on the left. So put it on the left. And then just click anywhere inside the pie chart. So there is one number that we need to change for Carol Hughes. So right now we don't have that temporary Excel spreadsheet, but if you click Edit Data, you can go to Edit Data in Excel, and it'll take you to that temporary. And we'll go into where Carol is. Instead of 79, it should be 90, and press Enter. It changes on your sheet. Go ahead and close out of there, and we'll make a couple more changes here. If you, for the border, if you choose the fill button and choose, so on the border we're going to choose solid fill, and we'll go to blue accent 2, and the thickness is the width 3 points. And if you want to, they didn't have it in the book, but if you wanted to go to, this is the fill, so this would be inside the shape, you could choose something from texture. And and pick something from there. And then we're just going to change, because right now you can see that it's on a new page. So we'll close out of here and we'll go to Format and choose the size. The size will be 3.2 in height and the width will be 5.5 and enter, so it all fits on one page. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.